Egusoya omrasha beja fiem na donkumana neguso Kasee ne won mo bo yen photo sending ni controller and accountant general so bo say wo mo fa Kenneth Chibi so na won akoyi sika 1.4 billion Ghana cedi every district assemblies common fund won mo photo ye World Bank of Ghana emo.
This is the news. So on the 4th of November they paid the third quarter to the controller released it. And it went to the account of the District Assembly Common Fund. Then on the 11th of November, they blocked the same payment. So the release was done. The money reflected in the account on the 4th of November. On the 11th of November, they blocked their account. Then on the 12th of same November, they swapped the account. The amount involved is some 1.4 billion Ghana cedis. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, you know there's a Supreme Court ruling, the Premtobre case, where the Supreme Court gave a landmark ruling that these payments are constitutional payments. And once they are done, they are not other directives. The Minister of Finance and the controller cannot direct or redirect or reassign these payments. As we speak, it is clear that the finance in caput, the finance minister in caput with the controller are micromanaging the funds of the District Assembly Common Fund. There are implications to this. Now, they are redirecting these funds to where they so please. And it's against the Constitution. This is totally unconstitutional. And they've done it the first time. They blocked the 3.3 million. They blocked the 11 million. After several complaints, they returned 3 million. The 11 million is still outstanding. Now, they've gone to the extent of blocking and sweeping as much as 1.4 billion. And contrary to the information they put out in our earlier engagement, this is a deception.